case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1991, the Florida Supreme Court heard the case of Schutz v. Schutz, which centered around the question of whether a mother's right to free expression could be limited in order to promote the state's interest in ensuring the well-being of her children and restoring a meaningful relationship between them and their father. The case involved a divorced couple, Laurel and Richard R. Schutz, and their children. After being awarded sole custody, Laurel moved to Georgia with the children without notifying Richard, causing the children to lose contact with their father. When Richard finally located them, the children hated, despised, and feared him, which the trial court attributed to the mother's negative influence. The Florida Supreme Court had to determine whether an order requiring the mother to restore a positive relationship between the children and their father would infringe upon her First Amendment rights or serve as a legitimate government interest. Ultimately, the court ruled that the mother was not required to express opinions she didn't hold, and that the order did not violate her First Amendment rights. The court found that the order served a substantial government interest in the well-being of the children and promoting healthy family relationships. The trial court's result was approved, although the district court's interpretation and analysis were not.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.